What's the meaning of allergic? Allergic. 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 Allergic.
The term allergic refers to an exaggerated immune response to a normally harmless substance called an allergen. When a person with allergies comes into contact with an allergen, their immune system produces an antibody called immunoglobulin E, IgE, which triggers the release of chemicals like histamine. These chemicals cause inflammation in various parts of the body, leading to symptoms like sneezing, itching, and swelling. The severity of allergic reactions can vary from mild symptoms to life-threatening conditions like anaphylaxis, depending on the type of allergen and the person's sensitivity to it.